Good morning. Thank you for taking the time to talk with us today. To start off, can you tell us a bit more about yourself?
Good morning. Thank you for this interview opportunity. My name is Arnaya Salma. I am Diploma 3 Accounting graduate from Sriwijaya State Polytechnic, who just finished my studies in 2025. During my studies, I have been equipped with a strong and practical understanding of the full accounting cycle, starting from recording transaction, preparing journal, ledger, to making profit and loss report.
Why do you want to work in this company?
I'm very excited about this opportunity. I have been following the development with this company. As someone with an accounting background, I greatly appreciate a company that places financial operation and complaints to priority. I believe that this is an ideal place for me to apply my accounting knowledge and contribute directly to this strong financial foundation.
What are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strengths are high accuracy and solid basic accounting knowledge. I have a very detailed attention to numbers and data, ensuring that every transaction is recorded accurately and according to authenticity standard. My weakness is I realize that the Diploma 3 graduate my former work experience in a large company's scope is still limited. However, I have tried to overcome this by actively participating in internships during college to gain practical experience that I have applied.
That's very honest and self-aware of you. Thank you so much for this insightful conversation.
Thank you.